Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add YouTube playlist in slider layout in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix page and we are going to add YouTube playlist in slider layout. On left side you see add element, so click on it, and then you see multiple option, and then you see video and music, so hover on it, and then you see again multiple option. Now you see Wix video, again hover on it, and then you see multiple layout. So this is our classic layout and this is our slider layout. Now you see big slider, small slider. If you want you can select this classic also, so it's up to you. So this is our grid and this is our compact design. Now select small slider, so drag and drop anywhere you want, and then we are going to connect this slider to our YouTube channel playlist, and then you see adding Wix video. Now you see slider added, so click on it, and then you see manage video, so click on it. So we are in video library dashboard. Now you see, and then you see channel, so click on it. So we have one default channel, and then you see new channel, and then you see YouTube feed, so click on it. So you can add your YouTube playlist here, URL. Now paste, and then you see Wix 1 2 3 videos we have in this channel playlist for Wix, and then click on connect, and then you see YouTube feed, your YouTube channel or playlist auto sync with this channel. Now updated done. Now close, and this is a slider layout. Again click on it, and then you see setting. Now click on it, and then we are going to connect again in setting, and then you see Wix video, manage videos, layout. You see multiple option, and then you see video, so click on it, and then you see what do you want to play here, channel we select. So this is our Wix playlist. Now select, and then here you see we'll update now. So this is our Wix channel playlist in slider layout. So this is a slider, and then you see layout, so we select small slider. If you want you can select big slider. Now you see big slider, and then you see position navigation arrow, show arrow on hover. You see spacing. If you want you can select classic. So this is our layout for classic. Now you see here video, and then you see, so you can select according to requirement, and then you see display, so click on it. Now you see multiple option, and then you see player, channel title, video info, share icon. So you can do setting according to requirement. When the video ends, show video cover, play next video, allow on upload video, comments. If you want you can enable it, so it's up to you. And then you see design. Now you see text, so click on it. Now you see text, optimize font size, enable. Now you see, so you can do color scheme, text color, alignment. Now click on back button again. Now you see button, again click on back button. Now you see player. Now you see cover, overlay opacity, background opacity. So you can do color scheme according to requirement. Again click on display. Now you see layout, stretch to full width, enable videos. Now close, and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page, and then scroll down again. Now you see video slider playlist. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.